Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai. We're gonna take a look at this gorgeous 2022 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid Ultimate. Now, I'm gonna do a walk around in another video, but what I really wanna show you today is the Smart Park. So we were just out here, and now this is a sold unit. We're so happy that another customer is gonna get to enjoy this, but I'm gonna show you how the Smart Park works. It's so cool. So I've got the remote here, so I'm gonna lock this vehicle. Then I'm gonna hit the remote starter. So we're gonna turn the vehicle on. So again, it's super quiet because it is a hybrid. So now the vehicle's on. So check this out. So if you were in a tight spot and you needed to move your vehicle out, there's these buttons on the remote, forward and backwards. So you hold that down, vehicle engages, and watch this. How cool is that? So I can bring it out of the parking spot. I take my hand off the button, it releases. Now if I want to put it in reverse, you're going to hold that button down again and watch. So cool. All the sensors work in conjunction, so if anything were to get in its way, I mean, what a neat vehicle. Take advantage of the Smart Park. Check it out. We'll reverse it a little bit more. You just let your hand off the button and the vehicle stops. So again, great feature in the 2022 Hyundai Tucson Ultimate Hybrid. If you haven't seen it, it's worth a see. They're going fast. In the first week, we sold 8 hybrids. I couldn't believe it. 8 hybrid luxuries or ultimates. They're all on order. So again, if you're looking for a specific color, you need to come see us, get your order in. These things are going fast. As always, visit seawayhyundai.com 24/7 for all your new and pre-owned vehicle needs. But book your appointment and come check out this gorgeous 2022 Tucson.